Great morning, students. Dear students, in my previous video, I explained you that how to find the third angle of a triangle when you have to given the two angles. And now in this video, I explain you that we have to given the two angles, and on the basis of these two angles we have to find that which type of triangle is this. So firstly we have to find the third angle, and when we get the third angle, then according to these three angles we find that which type of triangle is this. Means the triangle is equilateral, isosceles or scalene triangles. So let us we start our question number 11. B part, in triangle ABC, angle A measurement is 55 degree, angle C measurement is 45 degree. Now firstly we find the third angle. So firstly we write sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here A and C angle are given. So we write angle B. Angle B is equal to 180 degree minus में 55 degree plus 45 degree. Now here we write that is equal to 100 degree. Now we find that angle B measurement is 80 degree. Now we see that in this triangle, its first angle is, we write all the angles here. Angle A is 55 degree, angle B is 80 degree and angle C is 45 degree. Now here we see that all these three angles are less than 90 degree, and when all the angles are less than 90 degree, it means that less than 90 degree and all these angles are different. All these angles are different. So when our angles are different, then it means that it is a scalene triangle. It is a scalene triangle. So we write here, because all angles are different, all angles are different, so the triangle ABC is a scalene triangle. And this is our answer. Clear this one? Is this question clear? Now we do the next question. Now in question number 12, you have to given a triangle XYZ, and in this triangle you have to given these two angles. Here you see that angle X as well as angle Y both are equal to 45 degree. In my previous, with the help of these two angles, you have to find that which type of triangle is this on the basis of sides. Now you have to find that which type of triangle is this on the basis of angles. So first of all we have to find the third angle. So firstly we write sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. Here we have to given two angles X and Y. So here we write angle Z is equal to 180 degree minus में 45 degree plus 45 degree. Because both angles are equal to 45 degree, So I write 45 two times. Now after adding 45 and 45, we get 90. And when we subtract 90 from 180, we get the angle Z measurement is 90 degree. Now here we write all these angles. Angle X equal to 45 degree, angle Y equal to 45 degree, and angle Z is equal to 90 degree. Now here we see that angle Z measurement is 90 degree, so it means that it is a right angled triangle. So we write here, according to these angles, according to these angles, triangle XYZ is a right angled triangle. Is a right angled triangle. Because in this one angle is a 90 degree, so it is a right angle triangle. Clear this one? Now I explain you the next question. Now in question number 14, we have to given three angles, and with the help of these three angles, we have to find that triangle is possible or not. So when we prove it that triangle is possible or not, first of all we have to calculate it. We have to add all these three angles, and if the sum of these three angles is 180 degree, in that case triangle is possible, or otherwise if the angle sum is not equal to 180 degree, it is less than or more than 180 degree, then it means that triangle is not possible. So let us restart. We add all these three angles. Now we add 110 plus 25 degree plus 35 degree. Now 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, plus 1, 7. Now here we see that sum of the angles is 170 degree. But our condition is that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we write 170 degree is not equal to 180 degree. So triangle is not possible. So triangle is not possible. So by following this process, we find that the triangle is possible or not. Now I hope that you understand this concept and you do all the other questions as yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.